Hello everyone, welcome to our KS1 Volume YouTube channel. So today topic will be the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock by T.S. Eliot. Okay, so the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock was T.S. Eliot first important publication. Okay, so Eliot presents the despair and positivity of a middle-aged man, Alfred Prufrock. This poem was most probably written between 1910 to 1911. The poem is typically not only for the 20th century but also for all the ages. It deals with the emotional frustration and despair and the hollowness of human being. The poem is written in the form of dramatic monologue. Okay, you know dramatic monologue means one is silent speaker and another is silent listener. Okay, sorry, one is the speaker and one is the silent listener. Okay, so about T.S. Eliot. Thomas Dunn Eliot, most commonly known as T.S. Eliot, is one of the significant poets of the 20th century, and he was awarded a Nobel Prize for Literature in 1911. And in 1911 he wrote his first most acclaimed poem by the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock, and his famous works such as The Wasteland, The Hollow Man, Journey of the Maggie, Hippopotamus, Mr. are some his great poem, and he also written 7 plays. Okay, see I am here more मैं अभी थोड़ा जल्दी बोल रहा हूँ इसीलिए क्योंकि डाटा जो है ना वो ज़्यादा लगता है यार, MB ज़्यादा लगता है, तो इसीलिए थोड़ा जल्दी बोल रहा हूँ. ओके, अपलोड करने में 1 GB 1.5 GB हो जाता है ना. अगर 10 मिनट हो गया तो मुझे विदिन 5-6 मिनट में ख़त्म करना है. ओके, तो 500-600 MB हो जाएगा अपलोड. So in the poem, Eliot shows the sordid and aimless modern life. Prufrock is a middle-aged dandy who has been such much for city life for its meaningless socialism. He wants to make love with a lady, but he does not love his mental courage to disclose it. Okay, but he is not, convey his feelings to his lady because of the mental courage or disclosure. Okay, so he is indecisive and unable to take his initiative. His failure together with the experience in his life and society makes him frustrated. He wants to get relief from such a situation by taking a walk in the city. Okay, so Prufrock is a timid and nervous looking boldness. He is so paralyzed by his will that he does not dare to utter the overwhelming question of the proposing to lady. Okay, he could not proposing his lady because of the overwhelming, because of his boldness and aged for paralyzed, so he hesitated to offer his heart desire to the lady because of he thinks that whatever he says to the lady will be answered by that is not I meant at all, or that is not it at all. Okay, so Prufrock is middle-aged dandy with some physical limitation. He afraid with a bald spot in the middle of my hair. He is conscious that he is being aged as he see. ओके ना देखो से वो बोल रहा है कि वो थोड़ा एजेड हो गया है, तो उसके लिए वो थोड़ा हेजिटेट हो रहा है प्रपोज करने के लिए उसका लेडी को. ओके, सो आई ग्रो ओल्ड ऐसे बोल रहा है. सो although the poem Prufrock remain in his room, it seems that remaining in his room he content to imagine himself going through the street. वो इमेजिन कर रहा है कि वो स्ट्रीट में जा रहा है. ही वेयर क्लॉथेस ऑफ द लेटेस्ट फैशन, वो लेटेस्ट फैशन का क्लॉथेस वेयर इन द हाइड हिज एज एंड टू कवर हिज बोल्डनेस. ओके, उसका एज और बोल्डनेस को कवर करने के लिए वो लेटेस्ट क्लॉथेस पहन रहा है फैशन के लिए. येट ही कैन नॉट गैदर द कॉरेज टू ऑफर हिज लव. तो फिर भी वो उसका लव को कैन नॉट गैदर हिज कॉरेज, फिर भी उसका कॉरेज नहीं हो रहा है. सो Prufrock timidity result from his experience with the society in which he lives. He is already known for the hollowness and meaningless of his life. उसको लग रहा है कि उसका लाइफ कुछ मीनिंगलेस है, कुछ भी नहीं. सो although he feels an attraction to the lady, he is aware of their worthfulness, and in this sense too the poem is no praising say of love. Okay, so in conclusion, thus the title of the love song of J. Alfred Prufrock records the love wish of a man with neither the physical vigor, instead of defeating the joy, bliss and hope for the love, and the poem reveals the helplessness and pathos of the protagonist. So Eliot very effectively portrays the pollution that are associated with modern city of life And here the condition of Prupok is symbol of the condition of modern organized civilization. And the poet revealed the boredom, the loneliness and the frustration of modern society. Thus, the title of the poem, The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock, quite justified. Thanks for watching. So the tomorrow topic will be preface to second edition of lyrical ballad. Thanks for watching.